in the following. Compared to the original record, the text to copy-paste has changed. Now we will connect Z to Opencode. For this, you open Z. So this is the onboarding panel, and if everything was perfect in this section, there would have been a connector to Opencode. Unfortunately, there isn't, and this is the reason why we will use this manual manipulation of file. So you click on the top left, you open setting files. This files is actually where user settings are saved. So what I advised is to copy paste. So you select all the file, you copy the content, and you paste it and save, just in case the manipulation doesn't work. So we want to insert this configuration of Opencode for Windows, and for Mac it's this configuration. For Mac, don't forget to replace your username by your actual username. So we want to copy paste this configuration, this additional configuration, into the configuration file of Z, settings.json. Settings.json is a JSON file. That means that it has a special format. The file is framed by curly brackets, and there are some blocks. For instance, the block icon theme. So the idea is just to add the agent server configuration at the end by respecting the format. So I type enter, I copy paste for Windows this configuration, and for Mac the configuration below. I paste. Then, here I don't see any warning, but if you do an incorrect syntax, there will be a warning. For instance, just imagine I remove a comma. You see I have the underlying or agent servers. That means that it's not okay. And the same if I remove the apostrophe, there will be a warning the same. Now for Windows, I will save the file using Ctrl S, and for Mac, Command S. After saving, you notice that the blue icon disappeared, so that means it's saved, and we can close the file, close Z, and then you reopen it. That seems to work. That's it.